Hello family, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I posted a video here. I miss you guys so much. If today is your first time coming here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share the video. Today I'll be showing you how to make an egg stew, which is very simple and is delicious as well. You can call it egg sauce. These are the ingredients I'll be using. I have fresh tomatoes, I have onions, I have palm oil, I have my garlic, I have my Titus fish, that's a sardine, I have my sausage, a little bit of tuna and cured fish, more money. I have my eggs, I have fresh pepper as well. I'll be using some salt as well, and I have black pepper. I will squeeze it. Freshly grind it into the stew for a nice aroma. But let's get started. I have my palm oil and my vegetable oil all together in the pot. Allow it to heat up a bit. Then you add your sliced onions. You fry it for a bit. Then you add the blended onions to it. This is with the garlic, the onion and the garlic blended together. Mix together and fry it down. You fry this, then allow the water to dry down, and this is what we get after allowing the onions to fry. And so after you got this, we are now going to add our fresh blended onion, tomatoes, and also the pepper mix. We are going to add it to it, stir and mix it together. Cover the pot and also allow it to fry down. I'm adding my curry powder here. I also added a little bit of the salt. Mix it together and allow it to cook down, and this is what we get. Then we have to now add our eggs mixture, but before then I'm adding my sardine. I also added my sausages already. I didn't get the video clip here. And my black pepper, just adding a little bit of that, and then we have this, and now it's about time we add our beaten eggs. After adding this eggs mixture, make sure you don't stir too much. If you want some chunks of eggs in your stew, you don't want all the eggs to vanish in the stew. You stir it gently, and then you allow it to cook down. Taste for salt and any seasoning you like, and then it's here. Look at how this looks. This is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.